Okay, sir, can you
Elders.
share that document to me?
Yeah, he will share you. Okay, no problem. I think I have shared this document.
Oh, no.
So now you both have just mentioned this one only. Okay. At host level, you answered it. Okay. That is 20% of the answer. So I will go for the next one. Okay.
Okay.
This we have covered. Okay. This trunk port also we covered it. Access mode and trunk mode. Okay.
Mm.
This one also covered, right? Multiple VLANs.
Uh-huh.
Okay, what happens if you set port group VLAN ID to 0? Okay. What
Okay.
about 4095?
Okay.
Okay. See, if you keep VLAN ID 0, okay, no
Okay.
tagging, okay,
Okay.
then your if you are doing any tagging on
Okay.
physical switch, then you won't tag inside this um, VM or port group, or in virtual switch you are not going to touch anything here. Okay,
Okay.
you will just put blank. Okay, or you will
Oh,
put 0. If you put 0, then it will be untagged. It will
okay.
just come out
Then
cleanly. Okay,
okay. Then it will pass all the information.
yeah. So
Okay.
at the network level, you will have to tag it. Okay,
Okay.
if you have any security requirements, okay, only network device has to tag,
Okay.
then this will be used. Okay,
Sir, in real scenario, where it will use actually?
in real scenario I have not seen this.
Oh, okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay. Normal case, we are using the VLAN, particular VLANs.
Yeah, Joy. Yeah, your voice is low.
Hello,
We could not able to hear you.
hello. Sir,
Yeah, what was your question, Joy?
clear.
Okay, next question. Okay, how do you verify which LAN a VM's traffic is tagged with?
Sir,
Completely we lost.
we couldn't get you.
Yeah, Joy. See,
Completely lost.
Is it my voice clear?
And now it's clear. Previously, we didn't hear anything from your side.
Okay. Let me put my mobile phone little outside. Okay. How will you verify? Okay. VLAN, which VLAN a VM traffic is tagged with?
Okay.
At various level, you tell me where you will check.
So like in the VLAN, what VLAN it is tagged, right?
Yeah, VM.
Yeah, in the the network option, when you go to the right click on the edit setting option, there you can see what is the VLAN ID it is tagged. So there we have the network option. Under that, once you click on the drop down, you can see like on what VLAN it is tagged.
Okay.
VLAN ID will be mentioned over there.
Let's say you don't have access to that particular vCenter.
Okay, so I don't have access to vCenter.
Yeah. You only have access to the ESXi,
Okay.
or you don't have even access to ESXi. So where you will check?
Even with the ESXi also, you don't know. If we have the access on ESXi, then we can go to like a switch, and under switch we can able to check that information.
Okay. So is it any other tool you are familiar with where you can see the live traffic?
Uh,
No, sir.
Wireshark.
Hmm?
I'm not familiar with any other tools.
Okay. So we have something called packet capture. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And we have one more tool called Wireshark. Okay. Where you can see all this network traffic. Okay.
One
And
second, sir.
sorry.
1 second, please.
Yeah.
Sir. Okay.
Yeah, you're back.
Yeah.
See in this diagram, you see it here. Uh, four ways you can see it. Okay.
Okay.
One is at your client level. Okay. At the GUI.
In vSphere.
In vSphere. Okay. Or
Okay.
through your web client. You go to the port group, all that. You will see that settings. Okay. So now you can see it through the ESXi. Let's say this is your ESXi. Okay.
Okay.
So you log in through the ESXi and put the switch command ESXEFG vswitch -L,
Okay.
where it will give you all the VLAN IDs that it is tagged or configured. Okay,
Okay.
on the ports, everything it will show. Then you can capture it live on the uh, network, physical network. Okay,
Okay.
where you can see that. Okay, and the physical one you can see. Okay, see all these tagging is done in the virtual switch. ESXi is adding all the taggings here. Okay, we are offloading it from the physical switch. That is how the tagging is done. Okay,
No, can be this tagging can be done in the physical switch level.
yeah, you can do it at the physical switch. Okay,
Okay.
see in VMware environment. Okay,
Uh-huh.
uh, whatever is coming outside, okay,
Okay.
to the physical switch, everything VM team has to manage. VMware has to manage. Whether you are tagging it, untagging it, how you want. So they are not touching anything on the network part. That is how it will be configured. So that there should be no blame game.
Oh.
Okay. Whatever you are passing, I am not touching anything. That is how
Mm.
it is.
Could you please explain this with the diagram so that it will be easy for us to understand what the ESXi and from the physical switch how it is connected to the ESXi, from the ESXi the virtual, then from the virtual to the VMs.
Virtual switch. Wait. Somewhere here.
From like physical switch we have uplink. From uplink we are connected to the ESXi. From the ESXi we have the inside ESXi we have virtual switches. From virtual switch we have port group, then we have connecting to the VM. My understanding is correct, with
Here is a navigator. Okay. Where this navigator went? View. Navigator. Okay. So you were asking about this one, right? How that tagging will work. Is that your question?
No, I'm asking completely like from this physical switch, how the VM will get the network, the connectivity. I'm asking.
VM will get network.
Yeah, from physical, like from physical switch to the VM, the connectivity and the, like how we have taking the from what is it, underlay to the overlay.
Okay. So you just type me that one. Okay, I will look. I will look into
Okay.
that one. Okay.
Okay.
So now we'll see what is the difference in failure detection, link status versus beacon probing. Okay. So here in link status detection, it will be detecting below 1 second. Okay. Only if it misses any upstream failures from VM NIC 0 uh, to the physical switch. Okay. Once this link goes down, it is going to detect. Okay. So here in beacon probing is, it will be sending the beacon packets. Okay, whether it is giving me a reply or not. Okay, you will have path failures also, whether it is reaching the path or not. Okay, so if there is a failure, it will detect it. Okay, this is very complex topology. Okay.
So in the sense, like you're talking about, like ESXi is connected to the physical switch. So we are checking whether the physical connectivity between the ESXi and switch is fine or not using the link status.
No, what is the difference between the failure detection? How this is going to detect whether link status or beacon probing? How? What is the difference?
Okay, okay.
The failure detection mechanism.
Between switch and the ESXi.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say you unplugged uh, one cable here. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, Jai.
Right.
So there is a difference between these two. Okay, you understood the difference?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So in the left side and right side, okay,
Uh,
left side is, okay, let's say the red color one, you just pull out one cable, okay,
okay.
and the VM neck 0.
Okay.
It will detect, okay, the link status is down, okay.
Okay.
In VM NIC 1, okay, you have misconfigured the V switch,
Okay.
okay, traffic is not coming. You
Okay.
you have done some misconfiguration,
Okay.
no traffic is passing through, okay.
Okay.
So link status it will detect, okay,
Mm.
there
But
is
not
nothing wrong,
data traffic will done.
okay,
Okay.
there is nothing wrong in that. I can
Okay.
detect that link is up.
Okay.
Whereas in beacon probing, it will send the packets, it will receive, it needs to get the reply. Okay, even if you
It is
are
about
misconfigured that,
TCP.
hello,
It is similar to TCP then, the beacon probing.
huh?
It is related to the TCP, like you are getting the response. You have to get response,
Yes,
then
yes,
only it will show
kind
us.
of.
Okay, kind
Beacons
of.
are
Okay.
just like your Wi-Fi. Okay, we use that beacons in Wi-Fi. It will be sending the signal.
Okay.
It will send in multipath. Okay,
Okay.
it needs to get the response. If there is no response, then it will say this is failed. Okay, here
Okay.
you will catch all the misconfiguration. If
Oh.
VLANs are missing, vSwitch is having any issues, then it will detect like I am not able to reach to that. There is some problem here.
Using the link status.
Using,
Any misconfiguration can be
yeah,
identified using link status.
using
Link status detection
no,
method.
no, not link status.
Okay.
Beacon probing, it will expect the packets that I have sent it in this way. Okay, like VM NIC 0 to this switch and that switch, path A, path B, I am expecting the packets. Okay, if that is not expecting, it will say, okay, this is a path failure. The traffic is not present here, it is not routing here. It will alert, okay, there is a failure here. Whereas in link detection, this will be straightforward. Whether I can see the traffic or not, I will just see whether link is up or not. That's it. That is the difference between these two.
Sir, actually, these tools are we are using these two methods in VMware NIC teaming.
Yes, it is in failure detection of VM NIC. You will team if you have one or two NICs.
Okay.
You want to fail over, right, to the
Uh,
other one.
okay.
That is where it will detect, okay, whether I need to fail it or not.
So we can select one link status detection method or beacon probing detection method.
Yeah, if you are, what do you call, if your network is not complex,
Okay.
you will go ahead with link status. Okay.
Okay.
If you have configured Cisco ACI,
Uh,
okay,
okay.
or your network is having underlay, overlay, NSX configured, you configure it. Then you will go with beacon probing.
Okay. Actually, in my previous little experience, I didn't configure any network related
Mm-hmm.
scenarios in VMware.
No, we will configure it here. No issues.
Okay. Okay.
So, like in a simple word, you mean to say that link status detection, it is between, it will check whether the physical connectivity between the ESXi and the switch is fine or not, up or not. That's it.
Yeah. Yes.
Whereas here the packet is sending properly. If there is any like, say for example, VNIC is sending a traffic to switch, and if they are not getting any kind of a response or delay, then the misconfigurations will be detecting using the beacon.
Yeah. This, see in the text, this is what
Yeah.
it shows. Okay. It sends Ethernet broadcast. Okay. Out on uplink and expect to receive them back on the another uplink through the physical switch infrastructure. It will send one packet, okay, that it has to turn U-turn and it has to come to the other link. Okay, if any,
Other link you mean to say it is ESXi only.
yeah, ESXi only. Okay, beacon packets out one uplink, okay, and expect to receive them back on another uplink, okay, through
Okay.
the
Okay.
physical switch. It needs
Okay.
to go through the physical switch
Physical.
and it has to come back through the other uplink. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then only it will
So,
detect. Huh?
so both uplink will communicate continuously for detecting the down.
No, in which scenario we are talking about?
Actually, in the if we configure using that beacon method, then both ports will communicate with each other for detecting the failure.
Sorry, Jay.
Actually, using the beacon probing, that two ports will communicate with each other continuously for detecting the failure or any misconfigurations done.
Let me open up menu key. This is VMNIC 1. Okay.
Okay.
This is 1. These are physical
O-
NICs. Okay.
Okay.
This is your switch, physical switch.
Okay.
Let's say this is also one physical switch. Okay.
Okay.
You have two physical switches.
Mm.
So this is like hardware backside. We have Ethernet port. From that Ethernet port, we are connecting to the physical switch. If I'm not wrong.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how you connect it.
Okay. So the one which is connected to the ESXi end, that is nothing but VMNIC. We call it as.
Yeah, VMNIC. Okay.
Okay.
So in beacon probing,
Uh,
if the pack, if this is VM NIC, okay, let's say
okay,
this is VM NIC.
okay,
If this sends with one uplink, okay,
mhm,
it wants to get it the response through the physical switch. Again, it has to go back here. Okay.
Hello. We lost. We lost you in between. Hello.
hello.
Hello. Yeah, Joy.
We lost you in between.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Now it is
Okay.
fine.
So this will expect, the traffic will expect, okay,
okay,
you go through this physical switch or however you want. I want this communication to go and come here. Okay. So this is the ESXi. Okay.
oh,
So you have here physical switch. Okay. Sorry, VM NIC. Okay.
okay,
See, if I send a packet, it has to go through this or it has to come. No matter how you do it, you go through orange or you go through blue, however you go, okay. If I send it here, I am expecting like I need this
response.
output from this uplink again. One more uplink.
O- Okay, then you mean to say this is one uplink. The first one is the first uplink,
Hmm.
and the second, sorry, VMNIC. This is VMNIC one, and this is VMNIC two. And if you are sending any traffic from VMNIC one, and it has to receive at VMNIC two, that is what you mean to say.
Yes, through that uplinks. Yes.
So, which side we are calling as uplink? Is that switch we are calling as uplink, or like which part we are calling as
Switch.
uplink?
See, for VM NIC, okay. So VM NIC can have uplink or it will not have a uplink. Okay. If you connect to a switch, then only it will be uplink.
Physical switch.
Physical switch. Okay. See, I have four NIC cards here in my ESXi.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So I have only two uplinks. Let's say I have connected this. Okay. Don't get
Oh,
confused with two paths here. Okay.
oh,
Only one I am connecting it to blue. Okay. The other I am connecting
Switch.
it to uh, orange one I am connecting. Okay.
oh,
Uplink. If I connect it through physical cable to a switch,
okay,
then only it is called as uplink.
Okay. In simple word, like the we have a VMNIC, that is a ESXi VMNIC.
Hmm.
If you are connecting that to this physical switch, then only it called as uplink.
Uplink.
If
Yes.
not, then there is no uplink for that particular ESXi.
Yes. Mm, yes.
Oh, okay.
You will have four
Got it.
uplinks. Okay. If there are four cables going through that, then you have four uplinks. They
okay,
Okay.
are
So if we
going
have that,
two physical cables, then you have two uplinks.
okay. And one
Even
more
though you
thing, like
have four or
all.
five NIC cards, it doesn't matter. Okay. We
Okay.
call
And
still
one
we will
more.
call these as VM NIC, but we will not call them as uplinks. Okay. How many you
Okay. So.
connected to the switch, that it is called as uplink. Okay.
oh,
Okay, I have one more doubt over here.
Hmm.
So I have five VM NICs, okay, and I have four switches. Can I
Okay.
connect five VMs to four physical switch, or like each VM NIC has to connect to each individual switch, physical switch?
So you have how many?
I have five VM NICs,
Okay.
okay, and I have connected. I have a physical switch as well.
Okay.
Five VM NICs
Okay.
and switches. I have five switches. I have.
Okay.
I'm connecting all my five VM NICs and four switches I have. Okay. Then I'll be having a four uplinks or five uplinks.
So you have how many?
I have five uplinks and
Five
four
VM NICs.
switches.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, five VM NICs
Okay.
and four switches.
Okay.
So in this case,
Uh,
whether I will have
is it all these
four,
five VM NICs connected to switches or not?
four are connected. Like that's what I'm asking. Like I have only five VM NICs, okay, and I have only four switches.
Okay.
So can I connect this five VM NICs to four four physical switches?
Yeah, you can connect it. Okay.
Then I will have five VM five uplinks then.
Okay. See, you can connect. Okay. 1 minute. Now I am going to connect this. Okay. Let me select this. Okay. So you can connect like this. Okay. Like this, and then you can connect this. Okay. This one and this one. You can connect like this also.
Or else I can connect at one switch if that switch having that respective ports.
Sorry.
I can connect all my five VM NICs to one switch as well, right?
Yeah, you can connect.
Okay, then I will have five uplinks then.
Yeah. So, but
Okay.
there is
Redundancy.
no redundancy and no logic connecting all the all the VM next to one switch.
Okay, okay, got it, got it.
Okay.
Okay,
This is how you will use, and this VM next you will use it inside the your ESXi infrastructure. Okay.
okay,
If you take this 1 and 2, it will go through this path. Okay. Path A. Okay. If you select this 3, 4, 5, it will go to path B.
okay.
Okay. That's how it is.
Yeah, now
Uplink.
it is clear about
Uplink
uplink.
and
Uplink is clear.
VM NIC. Okay. Then we'll come back to the document. Okay. This is how it will check. Okay. Out on one uplink and expect to receive them back on the another uplink through the physical switch infrastructure. So
Okay.
through physical infrastructure it will see, okay, so whether I am receiving it or not. Okay.
Okay, so the second uplink needs to receive the complete information which the first port sent, or only a specific signal.
Yeah, Jai. What is the question?
Actually, if port A will send like any data,
Hmm.
then the same data need to pass through the physical switch and need to receive on port B,
Yes.
or any
Yeah.
specific
That packet should come here.
all packets will
Yeah,
need
all
to.
packets should come here. Okay. If they
Oh,
are not receiving, then it will say, okay, there is an issue. Okay. It will
oh.
tell, okay, the switch failures, there is no connectivity path. Let's say you have seen this one. Okay.
Then the both the ports will
I have,
continuously
okay,
loaded.
okay, let's say you have connectivity. Okay. This two you have connectivity. 1 minute. uh, so you have connectivity, these two you have connectivity. Okay.
Okay.
So what happened is, you lost the connectivity here. Okay. These two physical switches, they are connected to each other, but that link got broken. Okay.
Okay.
So the interlink between this switch got broken. Okay.
Okay.
So you send the packet here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is expecting. Okay. I want to have this. Okay. This is connected here. Okay. This is one uplink. Okay. And this is one uplink. Okay. So it will go through here. Okay. And it will see there is no path. Okay. This path has broken. Okay.
Okay.
Then what it will do, it will again send it back this way. Then it will say, okay, I am not reachable to this. Okay.
Ah,
There is some path gap is there, path has broken.
okay.
It will get back it will get this packet back. Okay. With
Okay.
that it will detect, okay, I am not able to reach it.
Okay, so it will identify
uh,
exactly it is between this switch or it is between this VM NIC and the switch.
yes, it will identify that.
Okay, so we using the like network team that they will identify, or like we have to identify this information in
No,
the like.
once these get failure, we will ask network team, see, we are not
Okay,
able to reach.
okay, okay,
That's it.
okay,
We will not dig into the network. Okay. We will tell, okay, we are not able to reach, the path is broken here. Let's say you have multiple paths here, not one. Okay. You will have one more path, two paths. Okay. So let's say this path is failed, this will go through this path and it will check. Okay. It will receive this packet here and it says, okay, I can see that packet is coming here. Okay. It will not detect this failure.
Okay.
Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah, Joy.
Yeah.
So you have two interconnected links here. Okay.
Okay.
So this role is just to see whether this packet is coming or not. Whether
Okay.
one link is up or two link is up, it doesn't care. Okay.
Okay.
It
Okay.
has to reach. That's it.
Okay.
If one link has uh, disabled or broken here, it will not detect that fault.
Okay.
Only if it is not reachable, then only it will detect. That is what beacon probing will do.
Okay.
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 So in failure detection, link
Uh,
status. Okay.
uh,
Whether you have misconfigured or VLANs are not working, it doesn't care. Okay. My link status is up.
okay.
Okay.
No other things it will consider.
Uh,
Oh,
because it will send it. Okay. I can see that the link is up.
okay.
It will tell, okay, there is no problem, I have a link.
Yeah.
In beacon probing, even you have link, it will say I cannot receive the packet.
Okay.
If I am sending, I am not receiving it back.
Okay.
That is the difference between these two, beacon
So
probing.
in symbol, only a symbol, very small scenarios, the beacon packets is good, or only normal failure method is used.
No, in simple scenarios they will put link status, that's it.
Okay.
Link status. Okay. If it is up or down, okay, depending on that, it will fail over.
Yeah.
Beacon is for like mostly then they will use for the root cause analysis, I think, if I'm not wrong.
No, it will be used for a complex networking. Okay, if you want
Okay.
to, uh, if you are into multiple integration, like you have Cisco ACI or any other networking integration,
Okay.
then you will use this beacon probing. For simple networks, we will use link status only.
Mm.
Okay. Now we will see how the physical NIC fails. Okay. How does the how does vSphere handle VM network traffic? Okay.
Okay.
Let's say you have in the right side, okay, you have a VM NIC 01, okay. VM NIC
Yeah.
1 is in standby. They are both are having uplink, okay,
Okay.
and they are configured with NIC teaming there,
Okay.
okay. So once the VM NIC 0 is active, okay,
Mm.
handling all
Mm.
the VM traffic, okay.
Okay.
Once that goes down, okay, you have VM1, VM2, VM3, okay.
Mm.
So once that goes down, VM NIC 1 will is in standby, okay. It is ready to take over if needed, okay. They are not
Okay.
active, they are active and standby, okay.
Okay.
So communicating through uh, vSwitch here, okay. Once it detects failure
Okay.
through beacon probing or link status, okay,
Okay.
it got detected, okay.
Mm.
Now what happens, automatically it will redirect the traffic through VM NIC 1,
Okay.
okay. So here there will be a brief interruption less than 30 seconds.
Okay.
So all your MAC table will get updated. You will have
You
MAC
mean to
address like,
say you mean to say the uplink between the uplink of that is a zero uplink
uh,
um, will have only the 30-second delay. If there is delay more than 30 seconds, then the standby will act as active. You mean to say?
no, there will be a brief interruption, okay. Interruption
Okay.
in a sense like uh, less than 30 seconds, that path will change over from VM NIC 0 to VM NIC 1. You will see a
Okay.
below 30-second interruption. You can tell as network is not reachable or downtime, whatever you can call, okay.
Okay. So, but the background scenario will be whether beacon it will be using or it will be using the link one.
Yes.
The concept is that the background one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that it got detected. Okay. See here, failure at the right side. It got detected via beacon probing or link status. Okay.
Okay.
It doesn't matter
Okay.
how you detected. Now, once it get detected,
To change the path.
now this will change. Okay.
Okay.
And then it will tell, okay, MAC table it will get updated, okay. At the
Okay.
physical switch also the ESX I will update, okay.
Okay.
Now I am going through VM NIC 1. You just have this MAC table from here to here, okay. Now I am
Okay.
going through this.
Okay.
That is how traffic will go
Okay.
in the automatic failure.
Okay.
No, and one more thing, a physical nick they said, is that this one referring to this part?
Which one? Sorry.
A physical nick fails, they have mentioned, right? How does vSphere handle VM network traffic, right?
Mm.
So in this, like the right side one is the physical nick. That is what they are referring, or the uplink one they are referring.
You can refer whatever you want. VM NIC 1, VM NIC 0, okay. Network card failure, or someone took the cable, any scenario.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, but
that
in the question they might have asked a Nick fails, then how we sphere handle VM traffic?
okay. Physical
Then
nick
like
failure. Let's say physical nick failure is, even if somebody unplugs it also, you will call it as failure. Okay, or let's say you have some uh, problem with the physical nick. Okay, if there is a problem with the physical nick in the OS, okay, you will have a driver for the two same physical nicks, then both will go down. Okay, so one is
okay,
active and one is standby, means it is not an issue with the driver. Okay, it is either your physical nick has interrupted. Let's say somebody has intentionally cut the cable, or it got failed. Let's say you have two different drivers now. VMNIC 0 is a vendor 1. Okay, VMNIC 1 is a vendor 2. Okay, they got a problem with the driver and it got crashed.
okay,
Okay, let's say we'll go with your scenario. It got crashed and the driver here is working fine. Now it will take over. That automatic failure will take over from VMNIC 0 to VMNIC 1, and all that MAC table, it will take over. You will
and I
have
will get
all that in
updated
the ESXi. Okay, that MAC table of the
informations.
VM. Okay, that it will pass on through the VMNIC 1 and will get updated on the physical switch here. Okay, on this port. So we are coming from here now. Okay, it is like a exit, emergency exit door.
Okay, and physical nick and uplink are both one and the same, or it is different?
Physical NIC.
And the uplink.
Physical NIC is something called network card. That's it.
Okay,
Your
okay.
network card
On the ESXi end.
on the ESXi server. Whether you put
Okay,
it additional NIC card or built in with your motherboard.
okay.
Okay.
So that yeah, that port you're talking about, the
Yeah,
Ethernet port.
yeah, Ethernet port.
Okay, okay.
Uplink will come when you connect the cable. That is your
Connect
uplink.
to the switch.
Yes, switch.
Okay, okay, okay.
If you are not
But that
connecting it, then you will not call it as uplink.
okay, then physical nick and the VM nick are both are same then.
Physical NIC, yes, VM NIC, both are same.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, got it. Thanks for that clarification.
That is why we call it as VM NIC 0, VM NIC 1, VM NIC 2, VM NIC 3, 4,
Okay,
4, 5.
okay, okay,
So the numbering starts with 0 here, not with 1.
okay.
If you have 4 VM NICs, 4 NICs here, then you will call
Is
it as VM
three,
NIC 0, 1, 2, 3.
2, 3. Okay.
Okay. Fine now. How it will handle.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I'm clear with that.
You see the additional now. Okay. Use different physical switches for true redundancy. Set appropriate failure detection. Okay. To verify. Without NIC teaming, a physical NIC failure would cause complete network outage for all VMs on that V switch until the NIC is replaced or reconfigured. Okay. This is the answer. Short answer. Okay. How do you simulate a nick failure test without impacting production. Okay, so you want to failure, uh, you want to simulate the nick failure. So those servers are running in production and you don't want to impact the production. Okay, how you will do that?
Okay.
How to simulate the NIC failure test without impacting the production?
So let's say I have ESXi server, okay, one ESXi,
Okay.
and I have four uplinks. Okay,
Okay.
I have six VM NICs on it. Okay, I have four uplinks. Okay,
Okay.
I wanted to do a NIC failure so that I can show it to the auditor without impacting. I can do it. How we will do it?
So you have a six VM NIC and four uplinks.
Yeah, four uplinks.
Okay. And you want to show the failure.
Yeah, you want to, and without impacting any production. It should not have any downtime. How you will do?
We need to draw this then only it will be clear.
One year success have these six. Uh,
Hmm?
One year success have six ports and four uplink.
Yeah.
Then we can check with two uplinks. We can use two uplink for data transfer and can check two
Mm.
uplinks
Mm.
for checking the failure.
Okay. How you will do that? Two uplinks. What you will do?
Uh, Two uplinks. Uh, we can use configure the selected two uplinks for uh, it- if we team two uplinks.
NIC naming we can do, right?
Yeah, two ports we can use NIC theming, and we can disable one port. Then we can monitor another port will active or it will
No, if
working.
we draw the diagram, right, then we can able to explain you like the scenario which you are asking. So like four.
Are you sharing it, Joy, or you want me to do it?
Sorry, sir.
Are you sharing it, or you want me to do that?
Uh, if, I'll share.
Okay, no problem. I am stopping this recording. Okay.
Okay.